Welcome back. Test automation is becoming ever more popular, and it's important to understand the basics and how it can be used to enhance test efficiency. We are joined by Christina, who has several years of experience in this area.
Thank you for the introduction, Tony. Let's get started. This video is in two parts. It's important to understand what tests you are trying to automate and why. So the first lesson will look at an existing test environment. The second part of this lesson helps you to understand the thought process that goes into selecting the right tool for the job. We don't need automation for automation's sake. These tools are not cheap, so there has to be a benefit in using them, whether it's financial or an improvement of test quality. Let's begin by studying a business scenario. We can then look at the thought process I use to help senior telecoms managers make balanced decisions. Before we look at any test automation options, we need to understand what is in place so the right tools can be recommended. The test environment in question was made up of some mobile handsets, 2 radio sites, and the core network. The system required people to be on-site in a test lab to make manual transactions on a handset. Data sessions were initiated manually on one handset. And this is the simplified path it took when using data to view social media or when using other apps. When a mobile call was made, it needed to connect to another handset. So this is the path it took. This test environment was completely shielded from the live network, where everyone made their mobile calls or used data to watch videos. However, there's more to add so you can see the whole picture. The application under test was a network monitoring tool, and it allowed users to examine the network when issues were found and run management information reports for their customers. The data was collected from the network by aggregators and taps, then collated and fed to the network management database. From here, it could be accessed by business users. The testing was manual, slow, and very resource-hungry. To improve efficiency and save costs, an automated call generator was recently installed, and it used existing handsets. This saved valuable time, as it meant there was no need for people to visit a test lab to make manual calls. That's quite a saving. The call generator was connected to a control box that allowed testers with firewall access to create new automated tests from anywhere in the world. However, this did not provide reliable and predictable data, both essential for full automation. You may be wondering why the call data was not reliable. With or without handset call automation, the amount of complexity in the radio sites and core network, and having to share this network with other projects, caused many calls or data sessions to fail, because they were being prematurely blocked or dropped. The main requirement was to automate the testing is currently executed on the network monitoring application. This would free up testers to work on other projects and was seen by senior managers as a potential cost saving. We now understand how the current environment works, so it's time to look at opportunities for further automation. In the next lesson, we examine the benefits of automating the front-end tests for the network monitoring application. We will also look at ways we can improve the call rate to allow automated performance testing. Please come and join me there. Remember, all lessons are free, so please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing and allows us to keep creating free content for you.